So hi everyone. So we got our power back and I shut off the generator. I decided to go into Kingston because I got a message saying that Joann's was liquidating and they were starting today. And I was like, oh, I better go get some batting because as you know, my morning live, I didn't have this size batting, which is a 90-inch. So I went, and what a fiasco. In there, everything is full price, and you get 20% off. So it was much better when it was Joann's before liquidation, because Joann's after liquidation, not so good. No, not so bueno, no. Not only that, if you had a gift card, it says you have to use up your gift card by March 1st. You have to redeem your gift card by March 1st, but you can't redeem it at the register to pay for your stuff. So I was given a gift card for Joann's, and thank goodness I used my gift card weeks ago, like right after Christmas. Because if not, I don't know how I was going to redeem it. And I said, well, how can you redeem it? They said, well, you make an online order. And I said, but I tried to go online this morning for pickup, and it wasn't letting me order for pickup, and it wasn't letting me order online for stuff to get shipped to my house. And so I don't know. I guess anybody who has a Joann's gift card, I don't know what to tell you. It says you have till March 1st, but there's a sign saying that their registers cannot take gift cards for purchases. So I don't know how that happens. Then there's also big signs saying no coupons. Coupons are not accepted. They'll scan your coupon, but it doesn't work. But they have, because I feel bad for those people, right? It's not their fault that this is happening. And you know, this one lady has been at that Joann's forever. When I heard my Joann's was closing, I was so upset for her. What was she going to do? I mean, I guess she can go somewhere else, but that's not the point. I felt terrible. I went to go see her, and you know, she was a little welled up, and she says, you know, you're my 8th customer that comes in, and just came right to me instead of anything about the store. And that's what I did. I went right to her and forget about what was going on in the store. But you know, I was going around. Actually, I was going to go live, and then I said, nah, you know what? These people are stressed out enough, those workers. And those poor people were upset because the line to cut fabric was way far away and this and that. And I just kept reminding people, they're short-staffed. This is what it is. And we have to give them all a little bit of grace and time. And the one lady says, you know what? Thank you. You're right. You're absolutely right. I said, because they're going to be losing their jobs. So long story short, before I went to Joann's this morning, I had called up and asked them if they had any batting by the roll. And I said, because I can't get anywhere with this online. And she says, we don't have many, so come on in. I said, because I'm looking at the online and it says 110. And she goes, yeah, come on in. So I came in, and guess what? When the lady who I have gone to for years, I said, where's the batting? I don't want to say her name because I didn't have permission. And she's like, well, it's over there. And then she goes, oh, well, you better get some before they're gone. There's not that many. And I said, yeah. I said, but that's not the price that's online. And she says, well, what do you mean? So I showed her my phone, and I said, I called. And she goes, yeah, I know you called. And we looked at the price, and the price was $175 after the discount. It was $200. Then the 20% discount, it was like $179 something. And she knew I was coming from a distance. She knows the work that I do in my community. She said, let me talk to the manager, because not her, but she says someone did, because someone called back to her and asked her if there was rolls. And she says, and yes, she said you called because you couldn't order it online. So the manager, the liquidation manager, whatever manager, I've never seen her before in that store. The other lady who knows me and what I do, and she said, we're going to honor it for her because she did call, and I guess nobody was thinking that the price online was different than the price in the store. So they were super sweet. If she told me no, I wouldn't have bought the batting, and I would have understood. I wouldn't have taken it out on them. Other people were taking things out on people there. That's not right. But she did honor it, and so I got my batting. Yes, I got my batting. I said, would that only be for the one roll? She says, listen, how many rolls do you want? And I said, well, I have 68 quilts to do. I said, that doesn't even count the 2 that are there. I said, could I have possibly 2? She says, you could have up to 3. So guess what? I bought the 3. I have to, right? Because where I live, there is no way I can buy batting. And that was such a super, super cheap deal that there was just no way. So I did. They were lovely in there, but there was a miscommunication between the phone call and what's happening in the store. And so I am very happy that my local store could hook me up. I'm not going to say that's going to happen in your local store. It was because I did give a call, because someone did take that call. I have a feeling it was the manager herself, because she kind of knew about the phone call. So I'm thinking, maybe she's the one who picked up the phone, and that's why she was so cooperative about it. So yes, so I ended up getting my batting. I had all this 108 to be cut in my cart, and I asked the lady, before I cut this, there's no price, no sale price or anything, so I could use my 60% off coupon. She goes, well, actually, you can't use any coupons, but let me see what rings up. And it basically rang up regular price, and then you get the 20% off, because the store was liquidating 20% off. So I didn't get any, because it was $19.99 a yard at Joann's with 20% off. And I know I could probably find some online person. I could drive out to Massachusetts to my wholesaler and get a bolt of 108. So we decided not to go with the 108. And because I didn't buy the 108, that's why I ended up buying 3 battings. So that's my Joann's fabric haul, and frustration and sadness, because I'm gonna miss my ladies there. So that's it. That's for the Joann's. Now, because I was in the area and I needed to pick up coffee, I was asked to pick up coffee, so I went to go pick up coffee. Let's talk about the Sam's clearance. Oh my gosh. I went in there for coffee and came out with lots more. Sam's was having clearance. They must have clearance out stuff today. They had a lot of their Christmas toys all like clearance out, like rock bottom clearance out. Look at this, a case of cream of mushroom. And even if I don't eat this, I could give this away. This was $4 for 8 cans, okay? Folks, I will probably use it in something. I can use it for a soup base, sauce base. I could, look at this, hot cocoa, 48 of these, the little Keurig pods. 48 was $4.18 at my Sam's, $4.18. So I picked up one of those, one of these. These aren't things I use all the time, so I wasn't going hog wild on, buying, but I will show you what I did go hog wild on buying. Tide Hygienic Clean Heavy Duty Laundry. So Tide has many different formulas. This is the heavy duty formula. This box, which says that it equals to 144 base pods. So there's 72 double-sized pods, okay? And this box was $16. $16. I buy the cheap laundry detergent at Sam's, whatever is absolutely on sale, or at other places, right? I can't even beat this price. So yes, I bought 4 boxes of these because we will use them. Another Sam's Club clearance. I love these jeans. These are 7, and they're skinny jeans. And they have this brand, and then they have the 7 tummy. Here we go. Tummyless, right? Tummyless. As now you all now see the size. Okay, the tummyless and the skinny jeans. I do go up a size on these because I've been buying these for years. I find when I go up a size on these that they fit after they wash. They're still a little baggy. They're on me. I don't know if you can see. You may have seen on, let me see. Here we go. They're here. They're baggy, okay? Like I have the other size. They're baggy and they're big, but I like them big and baggy. I know they're skinny jeans and they're supposed to fit like skin tight, but I do not want to have to do the squats and getting on the bed and putting my leg and putting my head. I mean, no, I need to get into my jeans like just put them on. So these jeans, I normally pay regular price. I'm happy to pay the regular price of normally at Sam's Club. They're like normally like 20 bucks. They were clearancing them out for $7. Yes, folks, $7. So yes, I had to buy the black. I bought every color they had. The black, the burgundy-ish, the light. And then as you can see from these, I have like 3 of these pair, but you know what? I need another dark wash for $7. Come on, $7. Like this is $30 worth of jeans. You can't even buy one pair for $30. So I had to get that. Then Honey, I had gotten pants for Honey. Look at this. These were $3.40. Denali's, $3.40. These, yes. They only had 4 pairs, and they only had 1 in his size, because if they had all 4 in his size, I would have bought all 4. And then the rest is just regular price stuff. You don't need to see my regular groceries. But in any case, there's my Joann's haul and my experience of shopping at Joann's. I'm thinking it may be the last time I've been in that store. I may go back to say goodbye to my girls, but unless they start having a really super sale, then maybe I'll be in there for 108s. But basically, it was a bummer shopping experience as far as not the people, the prices, because it was regular price with 20% off. Best Price was regular price with 20% off. But last week I could have bought Best Price for like $30 a gallon. This week I got to buy Best Price if I wanted to buy it for, I don't know, it was like for $50 or something. So I didn't buy any Best Price. But anyway, quick video. I hope everyone is going to have a great day. Take care of yourself. Pass it forward. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. If you're just finding me now through the Joann's, looking up what Joann's is up to, I have a quilting channel. Yes, you just found it. It's Pastryqueen's Farm Adventures. Go over and subscribe. So important. I'm trying to get to 3,000 subscribers. But anyway, that's all. Everybody have a great day. Bye.